right, boys and girls, this one's pretty easy. There's not a whole lot of writing we have to do on this. We just have to look at each line and think what's missing here. So on the first fact family, we have 2, 5, and 7. So I know that 7 is going to be the whole because it's the biggest number. So the whole comes first on these first two, so we can just write 7 there because that's where they go. Now I look at this one, and I can see that I have a 7 and a 5, so what's going to go here? 2, very good. On this one, I have 7 and 2, so what's missing? 5. Excellent. See how easy that is? Okay, let's see. We have 1, 3, and 4. So let's circle 4. So the whole is last, so we're going to put the whole here. Then on the next line, I have 4 minus 1. So what number is missing? 3. Good. And then I have a 4 and a 3. So what number is missing? 1. Nice job. Okay, next one. Out of 3, 4, and 7, what's the bigger number? 7. Very good. So that's my whole. So my whole comes here. So we're going to write 7 again. And then I look at this equation, has 7 minus 4. So what goes here? 3. And I have 7 minus 3. What goes there? 4. Nice job. So I have one more left. 4 plus 2 is 6. So let's circle the whole. And we have a 6 here and a 6 here. Then I want to see I have 6 minus 2. So what goes here? It's 4. And 6 minus 4 is what? 2. Excellent. Nice job. All right. Let's see what we have on the back today. So these are doubles. Do you recognize the doubles? All right, boys and girls. So I just want you to go through and add the doubles. If you need to look at the poster, you can. If you need to use the number line on your paper, you can. But finish the doubles, turn it into the basket, and start on Dream Box.